Meet the AI that started it all. I'm ChatGPT. Ask me anything. And watch how I think, create, and solve. Let's explore what I can do. I'm an AI that understands natural language. I can explain ideas, write and create, solve problems, and even code. Just ask, and I'll figure it out with you. First, let's test how well I explain things. I'll ask it to explain AI to a 10-year-old. Watch how it breaks it down. Simple words, clear idea, no jargon, just an easy explanation. But talking about it isn't enough. Let me actually show you. Here are 3 quick examples. Next, let's get creative. I'll ask for portfolio project ideas. And just like that, a full list of ideas. Thoughtful. Now for my favorite, writing code. I'll ask it to generate a Python script. Look at that, clean, working code. Explained step by step. From idea to running So that's ChatGPT. The AI that explains, creates, and codes. One question can take you a long way. Try it yourself, the link is below. And if you love discovering AI tools, subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode.